I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda Fit door. Start by disconnecting the battery and opening the door wide, then remove the interior panel gently using a trim tool and a flat screwdriver. Label bolts and clips as you go so reassembly is easier. Have a friend support the door when removing hinge bolts to prevent damage. Keep bolts organized and clean the hinge area before reinstalling for smooth operation. Start by lowering the windows slightly so you can access the panel edges, then pop off the cover caps and remove visible screws. Carefully pry the panel away from the door frame with a plastic tool to release clips without damage. Lift the panel up to clear the lock rod and disconnect any electrical connectors, placing them safely aside so nothing gets lost during hinge removal. Quick recommendation: on another note, treat your feet as well as your tools and try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for long days working on cars. They're comfy and durable. If you like this guidance, please subscribe and like the video so we can make more helpful DIY guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the panel off and connectors unplugged, support the door using a jack or a helper, then loosen the upper hinge bolts slightly for alignment marks. Remove the lower hinge bolts next while keeping steady support, then carefully lift the door free of the hinges and set it on a padded surface. Inspect wiring grommets and ensure all clips are free before moving the door away from the vehicle to avoid snags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.